Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your VIVO X300 FE. So first, what we want to do is we want to clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So as you guys can see, we got the port at the bottom. Now we want to simply go over and try and get everything out. And let me quickly hold it and see if we can get inside. If not, then we might want to use an air compressor for an example. And what are we going to do after cleaning our port is we're going to go and simply test the mic in the voice recorder app. So as you guys can see, we can scroll down here and open up the recorder app. But what many people want to do is go to the camera, and in the camera they can record a video and see if that works. So both ways are correct. I'm going to use the recorder app, and of course we're going to start recording. As you guys can see, I cannot transcribe this because I am not logged into my account. But as you guys can see, we can just save it. And let me quickly lower the volume in case it works. We're gonna start recording. I cannot transcribe this because I'm not. So yes, it does work. Now what are we gonna do if it's not working? We're gonna simply restart the phone. So press the power button, volume up button, and swipe to restart. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and update our software to fix any mic glitches. So open up these settings, and here we need to scroll down until we see system update. Tap on it, and here we can enable smart upgrade. As you guys can see, I do have the update. What are we gonna do here is we're gonna click on download and install, and now it is pending. So it is downloading, and soon we should be able to install it. So basically the install button will be right here where the downloading is, and that's basically it for a video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.